suppose you take a number that is made of, think of this like 8 boxes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? A combination of 8 signals of on and off will mean something. Every unique, every one on or one off is called bit. Okay, bit is the lowest unit of measurement, or I wouldn't even say lowest, unit of measurement of memory, right? So I'll say bit. 1 bit means either 0 or 1. Okay, so now if I want to say something, I will say 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1, and this means something. This could be letter A, and another combination could be letter B. A combination of 1 and zeros in this block of 8 is what makes one unit, and it's called byte. So you can think of 1 byte equal to 8 bits. Okay, so 1 byte is made of 8 bits, so we always measure in terms of byte. I mean, in technically, when you measure the memory of a computer, you always say how many bytes, right? And it's 4 megabyte, right? That means 4 10 power 6 bytes. Those many bytes in 1 megabyte, right? So it's a measurement of memory. 1 byte is the smallest unit you can use, and that 1 byte is made of 8 bits, which is a combination of zeros and 1.